My name is Livia, I come from Switzerland, and here in Uppsala I studied Master in Biology with the main subject Cell and Molecular Biology. So I studied the Masters in Biology, and my main subject was Cell and Molecular Biology, and I chose that because this is really what I was interested in. In this program for the first year there are courses suggested. 4 courses of like 8 weeks around each one of them, and for the second year practical work, project work in research groups and master thesis. But in principle you can already, you can switch a bit and do practical work earlier or do some courses later still. And I really liked that. I did though what was suggested, like 4 courses. And I liked really a lot how these courses are big topics that you study for a few weeks, and you have seminars and lectures and lab work to it and assignments, so you can really dive into it. I was more used to study 2 hours this and then 2 hours next subject, and I think for me I learned a lot, and especially also for master studies you can really deepen there where you want to go. One thing that I also really liked about the biology education in Uppsala University is that there is a whole department of people assigned for the education of bachelor and master students. And I had never seen this before in other schools. And I thought it's so great for the students that questions like which course to take and how to apply and where is my transcript of records and stuff like this, they are very happy to help you out, and then the professors can teach what they are good at, like their subjects, and they can help with the lab experiments, or the PhD students can teach lab. So I think this is a great combination for the students, and I think it was a big benefit for us. So after having been here for a while, I realized how for Swedish people work is important, and you work, but you also have your free time and you try to balance it, at least in many places that I have seen people working, or you take a break together, have coffee, that's called fika, and it's very important, and I really enjoy that, because I think you also work quite productive in that way. So there's a lot of places in Uppsala that I really like to go. I live close to a natural reserve where I can just go out for jogging or for a walk, and in town is a lot of really nice cafes, so in winter you can go and have coffee there and it's nice and cozy. And I really like to be here where we are today in the botanical garden. I like to come here and see all the flowers growing. Here in Uppsala I really had a great time with a lot of friends that I met, that we got very close quite soon. And it was also very nice because people come from closer and further away, and most of them don't have family or old friends close, so you just spend a lot of time together. So now, as I'm soon moving home, I'm a bit sad to leave. I always wanted to leave, but because of all the nice people I met here, and I'm so happy with the education I got. When I compared the other places I applied, it seemed a bit more unorganized here, everything was so smooth, and we came here, we had nice introduction and good courses, and I was lucky with the nice lab. So there was so many good things, and I'm grateful that I had this time here. So I can really recommend coming to Uppsala for studies. It's a great town for students.